fireworks show is about to start. Captain Kiki, can you deliver fireworks fuel? Count on me! I will deliver them fast and safe. Be sure to load all fireworks fuel onto the ship. The fireworks show is about to start. Let's hurry. Go! The destination is in sight. From the ship with foam. Oil spills can contaminate the ocean. Be sure to clean it up thoroughly. Great! Go! The destination is in sight. Keep sailing! Let's go! Hold the button to start the ship. The fireworks show the sea fog. The destination is in sight. Let's chase the sea monster away. Watch out! Here comes the octopus monster! Hold the button to the fireworks show is about to start. Let's hurry. Captain Kiki, we failed to catch any fish. Can you help us? No problem. Help me find these fish. Here are fish. Go! The destination is in sight. This is the service station. Steer your ship inside and have it checked. The fireworks show is about to start. Let's hurry. The fireworks show is right ahead. Captain Kiki, let's make fireworks. Pour the fuel into the fireworks machine. what kind of fireworks will be made. Let's set off fire. Captain? Hi! Captain Kiki, here is a treasure map. Can you help me find the treasure chest? No problem. I'll find the treasure. Right ahead. Keep going. Help! Man overboard! Let's save them! I've ways to save them! Captain Kiki, all our stuffs fell into the water. Can you help us find them? No problem. Hold the button just the destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. Here comes the pirate. Let's defeat him.
I will get you. I will be back.
You have defeated